Spring Automotive Centers. I want to invite you all out to our fall block party and classic car show that we're having in our newest location in Middle